We need to have a talk because the GDP numbers came out for the economy this morning and they're not looking very good. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys my thoughts on the current crypto market because things, although are looking quite interesting, we've been pumping and dumping for pretty much every couple of hours, pumping and crashing and pumping and crashing the last couple of days. But the GDP numbers are not looking very good. And guess what? The GDP numbers came out much under expectations. That is not good. And what that signals to us is that a recession is extremely likely. Now, the stock market is actually green today. It's actually green today because it's pricing in the Fed to cut and pause rates. And the Fed has reiterated over and over again that they are not going to be doing that they are going to be keeping rates higher for longer, no matter what economic data comes out. Tomorrow we have PCE numbers, the PCE data, which is the true metric of inflation that the Fed uses. And that can change a lot of things. That can really change a lot of things. That could potentially signal a pause. That could cause the Fed to change their mind a little bit. But they've continued to reiterate that it is extremely unlikely and that they're most likely going to continue raising rates and keeping rates higher for longer. So I want you to be aware of that. Now, cryptos, although they have crashed and pumped, they are forming lower highs. That is not very bullish. If we were truly bullish, we would be forming higher highs and higher lows. That's not happening. And we are also seeing the dollar pump today, the stock market pump. Cryptos are going down, but they're going up. It's just crazy. And when we begin to see signs like that, guys, it shows you there is a lot of manipulation. And you need to be careful. It's probably best not to hold any positions right now. It's probably best not to hold any positions and let this stuff kind of settle, because PCE is going to be a very volatile event and there is just extreme volatility. And during crazy volatile times, unless you're an expert trader like myself, it's best to kind of sit out and wait and let the dust settle. Ultimately, I do believe we're going to be heading lower. We could pump today, the next couple of days. Next week we might pump, but next week we have Fed minutes, the Fed meeting, and they're going to be raising interest rates, most likely at 25 basis points. I think that's probably the likely case. Whether or not that's the case, it's really not going to matter. But next week is going to be a very volatile week. It's the first week of May. We're entering into a risk-off environment, which means people are going to be selling their stocks and cryptos before May. We're entering into the summer months. And in May is when things really, really crash. Last year, take a look at a crypto chart and look at May. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see. It's not pretty. And look at the year before that. Look at the year before that and the years before that with stocks and cryptos. It's most of the time not very pretty. Now, can May be a bullish month for cryptos? Yes. Can we pump and make new highs? Completely. Yes, it's a possibility, but I'm favoring a bearish outcome over the next couple of months. That's what my analysis is telling me. That's why I've been able to call out these recent crashes and some of these other pumps and plays the last couple of days. But that's my thoughts. That's my analysis. And make sure you guys are a part of my Patreon where I'm putting out huge profitable signals. We were able to short the crash yesterday. We were also able to buy the pump and long the pump the day before. So my community, they're using leverage, they're trading, they're making hundreds of percents per trade sometimes. And the last couple of days, we've been making so much money, it's ridiculous. So you guys can have access to that by joining the Patreon. But I do have a free trading community. You can join that Telegram. The link for that is in the video description. It's free. But what will really help you guys to make the best trades is to use my trading algorithm. It tells you exactly for any stock or crypto when to buy and sell. It's extremely accurate. It's called out the recent pumps and dumps before they happened. You can try it for free at ALGOSNIPER.com. Also, make sure you guys are trading over on BitGet where you can claim a $30,000 deposit bonus. I'm going to be having a trading tournament where there's going to be a $10,000 prize. If you guys join using my link, you can trade and participate in the tournament and win up to $10,000. Even basic participants, those who just participate in trading, will win some money as well. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.